Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Monumental Sports app not working. So first of all, you can also fix it with restarting your phone. If this not fix the issue, then go to Google Chrome or any other web browser and here search for internet speed check to check your internet speed that it work properly or not. Now tap on this first link on the top or on the second one, fast.com. If internet speed is properly working, then the next step is go to the settings of your phone and then scroll down and here search for app management or app list option. After that, in my case, here is app list option. After that, search for the app. So I am searching for Monumental and now I am tapping on OK and then tap on storage usage option and then clear cache and also the data of this app. But be careful that if you have work in this app or any progress, so this will all the finish, this will erase. So after that, tap to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPhone, and here tap on search option and here search for Monumental Sports app and then tap on here. And after that, here you will see update button option. So simply tap on update button to update this app to the latest version. If this also not fix the issue, then you should have to contact the app support team. So when you come here, then you will see app support. So simply tap on this and you can also see his website and also through email. Simply write the email here and then send it to the app support team. They will fix the issue. So hope this will help you.